Okay, how many people can we fit on a slide? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is left?
Today, we're going to the park. I'm Malika. I'm Nixon. I'm Evelyn. Guess what we're doing today? We're gonna go to the park. We've been to parks in Texas. We've been to parks in Arizona. But today, we're in Charlotte.
Lake Norman. Here we come.
Here we go! My favorite thing was the park and the zip line.
Are you gonna do it? Okay. Oh, here we go. You get up. On your marks. Get set. Go! How was it? Was it good?
Yeah.
How was it, Em? Love it.
My favorite part about this park was the zip line.
Hold on tight.
My favorite part is when I made Mommy do it with me.
Okay, where are we going?
Go down the slide.
Okay. Come. Which one? Okay. Is this mom's size?
I don't think so,
Let's do it. YOLO. So, there's no other parents here. Guess that never scared me.
Come on.
Okay. Oh man. Okay. One foot in front of the other. It's a good life lesson. I found something I'm not good at. Jungle gymming. But I'm gonna do it till I get good at it. Okay.
We're going up.
And we're gonna go up to there. All right.
Come on.
And then all the way down that thing.
Let's go.
This is an awesome park, by the way. Okay, another one of these.
Yep.
You didn't tell me I had to go up twice.
What?
You didn't tell me I had to go up twice.
It's just basically going up.
So you can do all things.
Yeah.
Through Christ who strengthened you.
Ah!
All right. Move it or lose it, sister.
All right, let's go down the slide. All right. We're gonna go down a really, really dark slide. All right, here we go. Down the dark slide.
That was legit.
Let's do that again.
Oh man.
Come on.
Okay.
Follow me.
Oh, I think I broke my hip.
Oh, I think I'm gonna fall. Yeah. Oh man. Oh.
Okay, so now we're gonna guess which slide Malachi is gonna go down. Which one is it? Is it Exhibit A, Exhibit B, Exhibit C, or Exhibit D? Okay, we're guessing. Are you going A, B, C, or D? Which slide? Which slide is Malachi going down? We have to guess. I'm gonna guess C. I guess C. Ah! Ah!
Which slide did they guess?
I guess C. You came out A. Like to climb on this? Arm, leg, arm, leg.
the light slide.
Okay, how many people can we fit on slide? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is left?
Does it burn Does that burn your legs? Does that burn your legs, Mom?
Big. Okay.
Go, go, go!
Say cheese. Is that how you go down? Oh, bonk. All done.
Hey, you boys! Do you know where
All done.
Gentry is?
Say see you next time. Bye-bye.
What?
Say don't forget to subscribe. Yep.